I don't know what just happened. Was interrupted. Well, I don't want it to be interrupted by any chance. I will cover this up with more potting soil. Planting one more. As I said before, so I say it again. The widest part, like this one, that maybe where the plant comes out and where the root goes down, this is the other side. They are not just lobar seeds that just go open and expose the whole plant. No, the seed will really come out on both sides. Some people prefer to sow them while peeling off the orange pit, seed, whatever, so that they germinate faster. But I tell you, I prefer not to, because it can ruin their genetic way of germinating. Compact them wherever they are planted. Now, last one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 9 Valencias in this tray, and I plant a shriveled one, which is this. Okay, now that we have planted them, we did not water them yet. Hold on. So my soil was partially universal potting soil and some leftover potting soil from plants inside pots that didn't just quite made it. And altogether with that, hold on, I use a Mediterranean mix to refresh the soil, to give back its nutritious value so that these can grow more vigorously. And I will place this tray, I will keep it above these, because one day my figs will have to be in a very large container, just like this one, for an example. It's just more than 5 gallon, but the millennial gardener is saying that he plants his figs in 5-gallon tanks, but I prefer larger ones so that you have more thick stems and more space that they can grow. But I don't want to let them grow all the way to the ceiling, as you know what I mean. I have placed some, because this table here down, I want to get rid of it, and I will use these containers that are left, or to plant the figs in there, or to have these guys in, deeper containers. One master told me you can use a PVC cylinder to grow your plants in. This one is grown in a 60 liter or 80, 100. That makes 100. That's more than 30 gallon, or really more than 25 gallon. You got to give the plant some space to grow. And of course, in the previous video you saw that I was skipping the turmeric plant, and it's also growing good, while others, giving less space, grow less vigorous. Okay, and take. Only the bottom I will leave the water in, but I keep the most topsoil just moist to a little bit damp, between moist and dry. I mean between moist, a little bit damp, to a little bit wet, just because I want to let them germinate. I mean, how grateful is it? You allow an orange that you bought in the store, you know, well, while I was watering them, I was tapping the topsoil so that it becomes a little compact. So when I water next time, that the water doesn't spill all over the edges. That's why I'm doing that. And I didn't choose the beakers to become equally high because one of them has a seed that is shriveled. So that I will show you in maybe 1 month or two, that would be in June or July, when I give you the update on how are my Valencia Velate oranges doing. And I'm back. And I also will show you how my citruses have grown. As you know, I have some figs already that are forming. Right here. Oh, I just had to take the leaf off. I just gave it away. I'm so sorry, plant. I really didn't mean to. Here it is. It was my fault. I forgot to water them. You know what the result is? They drop their leaf. And why do they drop their leaf when they don't get water? To get all the energy back to the roots. That's why. But the good news is every leaf that falls off will form a new branch. So I saved his life or her life or whatever life. A vicarious grown in a much larger container. It will produce more. I mean, look, this is just one placed in the bucket. Don't even have 5 gallons. Also this one, the leaves are small. They just really fit you in your hand. But these ones grown in larger containers, look. Just for the kicks and jiggles. Here they will form all new things because they're so close to the growing light. But they just want to grow and grow and grow and grow. But sometimes you gotta say stop, enough. It's time to prune you. You gotta have some fruits. You just don't want plants, you want fruits. That's why you prune. So you know what? I changed my mind. I'm not growing them. No, just kidding ya. I just planted 6 more, you guys. That's what my mind said. Plant out, branch out. Here they are, 6 more Valencia oranges. The late latte, late, maybe a late harvest. I don't know what the latte means. Maybe I need to Google it up and maybe I'll give a report of this. Gardening can be so addictive. Oh, Frank out.